Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix if Wi-Fi is not showing on your Windows, Wi-Fi is not showing on your taskbar and also on your settings. So how can you fix that? Let's go quick into the process. So first is we need to check the WLAN autoconfig service if it has stopped running, because if it will stop running, then you can really face the issue. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type services. Click on services. Click on services under the best match. And then we have to scroll down to the W section and look for the WLAN autoconfig. Make a right click, select properties, startup type, that should be automatic, service status, that should be running, so you have to click on start, click on apply, click on OK. You can also click on the restart option on the left pane and then close this and check if the problem has been fixed. Then for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type device manager. Click on device manager under the best match. Now here in the device manager window, we need to locate network adapters. And here we need to locate our connection or our Wi-Fi. Make a right click, select update driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here, if you have more than one available drivers on your computer, then you just need to simply choose one by one as to what will work for you and then click on next. Now Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Close this. And after that, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Then for the next method, go back to the same device manager window. Locate network adapters, expand the list, and then locate your connection. Wi-Fi, make a right click, select uninstall device, click on the uninstall button. And after you have clicked on the uninstall button, all you have to do is make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows, and that will automatically reinstall the network driver that you have uninstalled from your Windows. And then close this. Next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type ncpa.cpl. And cpa.cpl control panel item, simply click on that. Here you need to locate your connection or your Wi-Fi. Make a right click and then select disable. By disabling it and then enabling it again, this will refresh it, so wait for a while. Then make a right click, select enable. And you will be reconnected. That's it. Then next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type settings. Click on settings under the best match. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, we have to look for network and internet. Here you'll find advanced network settings, click on that. And here you'll find network reset. Before you can go on with this method, make sure to back up your Wi-Fi password, because once you click on reset now, you need to click on yes, and that will restart your Windows once, and you have to re-enter your Wi-Fi password once again, and that's it. If any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more free tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.